everyone, Linda here from behind number 37. I'm going to be cleaning out my fridge today, so if that's something you're interested in, then just keep watching.
So this is 27. It doesn't matter what I've been through. I should grow up too, but I still act like I'm 11. I'm not emotionally sound since I left you. And no, I don't like to be the bad guy. I won't be surprised if I'm the last one now. But I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down, down, down. Yeah, I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. I let it slip somehow. It slip somehow. So this is 27. Start the music, kill the silence. Let my mind rest. Pour a drink cause it's effective. Can't seem to get my head around why I left you. And no, I don't like to be the bad guy. You know I don't lie, I really miss you now. But I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. Yeah, I had you where I wanted you, had you by my side. It was all I ever needed, but couldn't realize. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. I let it slip somehow. Oh, I let it slip somehow. So start the music, kill the silence. Pour a drink and let my mind rest. Cause I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. Don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down, down, down. Yeah, I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. Yeah, I had you where I wanted you, had you by my side. It was all I ever needed, but couldn't realize. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. I let it slip somehow.
Right everyone, I'll just show you the fridge. So in the bottom there, I've got my veg and my salad box there. So I've got all my fresh items, peppers, lettuce, the gem lettuce. I don't keep the other lettuce in the bottom there. I've got a selection of tomatoes, and that one, and this one. You can see I've got sweet potato, I've got cauliflower, I've got leeks, and I've got some carrots. Then above that I've got my fresh meats, I've got burgers, and I've got mince there, and I've got bacon in that one. Next shelf up I've got dairy products. I've got my butter, my flora in the back there, I've got ham and chicken there. And we've got our yogurts, the kids' yogurts in the back there, and some patty in the side. Next shelf up, I've got some leftover new potatoes, I've got some mushrooms, and I always take the cling film off of them, if not they sweat. And beside that I've got my lettuce, but I'm actually going to pop that into a box, then give it a wash and pop it into a box, and that keeps it fresher. And in here we've got some cheese and some hummus. Then the shelf above I've got quiche, and I've got some pakoras, and I've got some strawberries, blackberries, melon. And then the top shelf we've got some more condiments, and right in the back there I've got my Lindor chocolate. That's leaving a space for some wine or some gin or some beers. And we've got some more condiments there, mayo, sour cream, and on the door we've got our cheeses on the door there. And next shelf down, more condiments, pickles, eggs, the jam. Unfortunately, there's a little crack in there, but that's fine. Peanut butter. And the next shelf down is like our garlic puree, tomato puree, we've got lemon and lime. We've got our green Thai curry. We've got tomato and mascarpone, that's a stirring sauce, that's lovely. And Hugh makes his lovely beef and black bean sauce, so we've got that there. I've got some mango chutney to go along with any of our curries. And I've got my Sweet Freedom chocolate. I like putting that over pancakes or yogurts. I need to get some more milk. I've got milk there, and I've got my almond milk. I've got my sugar-free flavoured water, and I've got the 100% orange juice, it's not concentrated, and I've got the Naked Green juice there as well. So I'll just give you another overview. The fridge there, so much cleaner. Over here, bag, I've thrown out some bits. I've got the glass bottles, and I've got some recycling there that needs to get sorted. If you enjoyed this video, I would really love if you could give me a like, and if you're enjoying my content, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel, and you'll get to see more organisation, lifestyle, speed cleans, try-ons, hauls, etc. Day in the lives. Thanks everyone, take care, and see you on my next one.